A reading from the book of Ecclesiastes. Vanity of vanities, the preacher says. Vanity of vanities, all is vanity. For so it is that a man has labored wisely, skillfully and successfully, must be. What is his own to someone who has not toiled for it at all? This too is vanity and great injustice. For what does he gain? And all for all the toil and strength that he has undergone under the sun? While all his laborious days is scarce of office, his restless nights, this too is vanity. This is the world.